Hello, welcome back to another James Scooter video. In this video we've got a bit of a minor issue with Dusty, bit of vibration. I had a little diagnosis with it. I took the clutch out and unfortunately where the casing is that holds the circlip, that has broken out. So we're going to have to take the engine out and drill out with the new clip which I've got. Seems that we've got the engine out, we might as well put another crank in, because I'm currently running a NML crank which is not really up to standard for the VMC kit. So I'm going to show you what I've got. So that is the retaining plate for the clutch bearing. So originally it would have had a circlip around there, and the casing around it is broke underneath here. So I don't trust it anymore. So we've got to take the engine out, like I just said, to put that in there. I've got new clutch bits as well, because it's sounding like it's a bit scrapey. So I've got new of them. I've also got upgraded stiffer springs for the 6-spring clutch, so that should improve it. And we've also got the circlip, a thicker circlip, which will help that clip not coming out, because I know they can be known for coming out as well. So we've upgraded that. Thread locker for the bolts that's going in that casing. Finally brought myself a clutch compressor, saved messing around putting the vise in that. New oil seals. I've got new bearings as well, that's in the freezer. And we've gone for a Mazzucchelli crank. It's the race version, so we're going to put that in. I was advised not to use this needle roller, small end, because apparently they're not very good. So we're going to use the one that came out the VMC kit. So let's get to it. Can I be bothered? No, I can't. Right, okay, let's go. Right, the engine is out. Whew. Let's take the wheel off and on the way forward. So I've had the clutch apart. Can't really see anything wrong with the clutch because I got vibration, you see, that's the main cause. Nothing really on the clutch apart from a slightly, I mean that's fine, but it was quite proud, and the fact that it's leaking oil down there, so I put a new oil seal in there. Clutch seems fine, but I'm going to put those stronger springs in a minute. So this is the problem. Can you see that? All around there, look. All around there is where it's broken out. And on there. Look at that. That's not good at all, is it? That's what's happened there. So luckily we have got that plate that sits in there. So I've got to draw some holes in there. So that's next. Got to take the engine casing apart now. So yeah, all good fun. There you go. All in. Bit of a pain in the bum, but I managed to do it. So I had to Dremel out more of this around here, break it all out, which I did. Drilled a hole, 6mm. Yes, that's all done. Lovely. I put some Loctite on there just in case. Don't want that vibrating off. Right, let's put the new bearings back in. Okay, we're almost there now. Bearings are in. Whoop. Brand new crank. Lovely. Gearbox in. The Mazzucchelli cut springs are in. These are the old ones. Very soft. Look at that. Soft in it. And I've put the upgraded circlip on there. A bit more thicker. Is that sitting in there? Oh, that's lucky. It's not sitting quite right in there. Okay, I'll have to do that again. But yeah, the crank is in. I've just got to put the new inner race in this one. So I'm going to heat up the inner race and hopefully that'll slot on. Yeah. New bearing in there. Plenty exhaust. So yeah. So next time now, oh, still got to drill out the carb. Got to drill that out. I think it's 1.5 at the minute. I'm going to drill out to 2mm. She was running a bit rich actually. I took the plug out, but that was 2 1/4 turns, so I'm just going to do it at two turns. So yeah. So next time we see this, hopefully it will be the first start up.